Hi folks, I'm Mayor Tom Koch here with our latest coronavirus update. And as we've talked about, and as the governor's talked about, and the president's talked about, the numbers have gone up. We now have 132 confirmed cases in Quincy, and we now have 8 deaths from this virus. There's about 110 being monitored, and 32, I believe at this point, have completely recovered from this illness. The total cases in Massachusetts are almost at 9,000 at this point. Some of you may have seen the governor on the news today, and I thought his line was pretty effective. The virus can't survive if it can't jump from one person to another. And that's the whole point of the social distancing, the separation, and staying home to keep the virus from spreading. That's really what it comes down to. Today we announced the Quincy Relief Fund. That's to coordinate our charitable fundraising efforts and to help people in organizations that are hardest hit by this pandemic. The program will be administered by the Quincy Foundation, which is a established registered 501c3 nonprofit here in Quincy. The mission normally is to really fund some local charitable stuff, some community organizations, Flag Day Parade and so forth, but we've extended the purpose during these times for those people that are really the hardest hit during these times. So we asked people, I know a number of people reached out to me, said, how can I help? If you want to help financially, you can do that, the QuincyReliefFund.com. Checks can be made out to the Quincy Foundation with Quincy Relief Fund in the memo line. It can be mailed to the Quincy Foundation, care of Colonial Federal Savings Bank, 15 Beach Street in Quincy, 02170. I think a lot of folks know that's right in the heart of Wollaston Center, just off of Hancock Street next to the Wollaston Post Office. So again, the Quincy Relief Fund has been established to help some of the organizations and individuals hardest hit by this pandemic. So those folks that have asked, and I've heard from a number of our corporate citizens already. Doug Briggs from Quincy Mutual reached out yesterday, Rob Hale from Fox Rock and Granite Tel, Joe Carroll from National Grid. They're all planning on sending substantial checks to help kick this off, so grateful for that. Anything you can do, we'd appreciate. But you know, if money's not your thing, there are other ways to help. Certainly keep out for your good lookout for your neighbors, especially your elderly neighbors, and certainly pray for the victims of this, and pray there may be a quick end to this as well. Just a couple of lines again. The City of Quincy's hotline, particularly relating to the health department, 617-376-1288. And if you need to talk to somebody there under Ruth Jones and her staff, it's 617-376-1272. Folks, we're working very hard at this on the ground. We appreciate all your patience and understanding. Please continue to pass the word to stay home, and let's be smart about this. So until next time, God bless.